Hello, this is Chef Isabella with Mansfield ISD Student Nutrition presenting fish pizza for Try Something New. We're going to start off with some pico de gallo, lemon juice, butter, and taco seasoning. Here we have filet of cod. Now we're going to take our pico de gallo, lemon juice, taco seasoning, and butter and place them in a prep bowl. Then we're going to add our filet of cod. And once that's in there, we're going to gently toss to coat. Now we're going to transfer the fish to a sheet pan and take that leftover pico de gallo from the marinade and place it on top. Now that that's nicely distributed, we're going to put that into an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees for approximately 8 minutes. Then we're going to pull it out and sprinkle some shredded mozzarella cheese on top. And return it to the oven for an additional 2 minutes or until it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Here we have our cooked fish. We're going to go ahead and dice that up. There we go. Then we're going to transfer it to a prep bowl and add a little bit of mayonnaise and stir it all together. Alright, that looks nicely combined. Now we're going to put a little bit in a serving bowl and serve it with some flatbread. We hope you enjoy fish pizza. We want to say a huge thank you to Andrew who provided us with this unique family recipe, and we're glad to share it with you. We also hope that you'll join us for Try Something New at all Mansfield ISD elementary schools on Friday, December 6th during lunch. And here's a recipe if you want to make fish pizza at home with your little chef.